closer look at the #1 futuristic 2026 Jeep Recon, a bold and adventurous SUV designed to merge rugged off-road DNA with modern-day electric innovation. As we walk around this exciting machine, you'll immediately notice how Jeep has stayed true to its iconic design language while pushing boundaries into the future. Starting at the front, the vehicle greets you with a squared and muscular stance. The signature 7-slot grille has been reimagined for an electric platform, glowing with futuristic LED outlines that immediately tell you this isn't just another off-roader, but a next-generation SUV ready for new terrains. Moving towards the back, the 2026 Jeep Recon continues to impress with rugged styling combined with futuristic design details. The rear LED taillights are sculpted in a squared frame with a glowing, modernized X pattern, a tribute to Jeep's adventurous heritage. The tailgate is wide and practical, carrying a mounted spare wheel that enhances its adventure-driven personality. A durable bumper and underbody protection make it clear this SUV is made for dirt tracks, rocky climbs, and long expeditions. Jeep's attention to practicality shines through with accessible cargo space and roof rails that make it road trip ready. On the right side, the silhouette stands tall with squared wheel arches housing massive off-road tires, giving the Recon a powerful road presence. Its clean yet rugged body lines create a balance of toughness and modern minimalism. The removable doors and roof panels add to the Jeep's spirit of open-air freedom, making this SUV versatile for city streets and untamed paths alike. Stepping inside, the dashboard greets you with a blend of rugged toughness and modern luxury. A wide digital display stretches across, featuring advanced infotainment, off-road assist modes, and real-time navigation. The steering wheel carries Jeep's bold character with multifunction controls and a premium grip. The front seats are built for comfort and adventure, with high-quality upholstery, bolstered support, and adjustable options for long rides. The seating position provides excellent visibility, ensuring drivers feel in command whether on highways or rugged trails. Finally, in the engine room, the 2026 Jeep Recon breaks ground as an electric off-road SUV. Powered by advanced electric motors, it promises instant torque delivery, quiet yet powerful performance, and impressive off-road capability. Jeep's Select-Terrain traction system, combined with cutting-edge battery technology, ensures extended range while maintaining rugged reliability. #2 exclusive walk-around of the all-new Lucid Gravity 2026, a luxury electric SUV that blends futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort into one stunning package. As we stand before this masterpiece, the first impression from the front is nothing short of breathtaking. The sleek LED light bar stretches across the entire width of the SUV, creating a modern and commanding presence on the road. Moving towards the back, the Lucid Gravity continues to impress with its sculpted rear design. The taillights run seamlessly from edge to edge, echoing the front light bar for a perfectly balanced design language. The subtle spoiler and muscular curves give it a sporty stance, while the chrome and gloss black accents highlight its luxury appeal. The rear bumper integrates cleanly, housing the sensors and diffusers that add to both style and performance. On the right side, the SUV's proportions come to life. The long wheelbase emphasizes space and comfort, while the flush door handles and bold alloy wheels showcase Lucid's attention to detail. The sharp shoulder line flows smoothly from the headlights to the taillights, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the Gravity a futuristic SUV silhouette. Its presence is commanding yet graceful, making it a standout in any luxury showroom or street. Stepping inside, the dashboard is a work of art. The massive curved display stretches across the driver's view, blending digital innovation with simplicity. The infotainment system is smooth, responsive, and packed with features like navigation, media, and smart connectivity. The steering wheel is modern yet intuitive, giving a driver-focused feel while maintaining elegance. The front seats are built for ultimate comfort, offering heating, cooling, and massage options wrapped in fine leather. With spacious legroom and adjustable settings, both driver and passenger are treated to a first-class experience. The back seats are equally impressive, with generous space, reclining functions, and entertainment options for passengers. Now, under the hood, the engine room reveals the true heart of Lucid Gravity 2026. Being an electric SUV, it houses a state-of-the-art dual-motor setup delivering incredible horsepower, instant torque, and exceptional range. The layout is clean and futuristic, highlighting Lucid's engineering precision. This SUV promises thrilling acceleration, long-distance travel, and sustain. Number 3 exclusive walk-around of the upcoming Genesis GV90 2026, a luxury SUV that defines futuristic elegance and engineering mastery. Let's begin our journey from the very front of this premium machine. The GV90 greets you with a commanding front fascia, featuring Genesis's signature crest grille that has been reimagined with a bold, modern twist. The dual-stripe LED headlights stretch seamlessly into the grille, giving the SUV a striking and confident look, while the sculpted hood lines add a sense of power and prestige. Moving to the rear, the GV90 continues to impress with its distinctive two-line LED taillights, echoing Genesis's design identity while offering a futuristic light signature. The tailgate is wide and purposeful, making cargo access effortless, and the integrated spoiler complements the SUV's athletic profile. The chrome detailing on the rear bumper along with hidden exhaust outlets underline the clean and luxurious aesthetic. From the right side, the GV90 showcases its grand proportions, with long, flowing lines that create a sense of motion even while standing still. The flush door handles and chrome window surrounds add a touch of sophistication, while the large alloy wheels with intricate spoke designs emphasize the vehicle's luxury SUV stance. The gently sloping roofline and perfectly balanced proportions strike the right balance between sporty dynamics and executive class presence. Stepping inside, the dashboard greets you with a futuristic yet calming atmosphere. A massive panoramic digital display stretches across, merging the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. The minimalistic design is enriched with high-quality leather, wood, and metal trims, providing both elegance and cutting-edge technology. Ambient lighting glows softly, creating a luxurious lounge-like feel. The front seats of the GV90 are masterpieces of comfort, with premium leather upholstery, heating, cooling, and massage functions. Adjustable in multiple ways, they are designed to make long journeys effortless and first-class. In the back seats, passengers are treated to executive-class luxury, with reclining functions, personalized climate controls, entertainment screens, and generous legroom. Finally, under the hood, the GV90 boasts an advanced powertrain, expected to be available in both all-electric and hybrid configurations. The engineering focus is on delivering powerful performance with smooth efficiency, ensuring that this SUV isn't just about luxury but also about intelligent innovation. The engine room is neatly laid out, highlighting Genesis's commitment to precision and craftsmanship. Finally, under the hood, the GV90 boasts an advanced powertrain, expected to be available in both all-electric and hybrid configurations. The engineering focus is on delivering powerful performance with smooth efficiency. Number 4 All-new Hyundai Ioniq 9 2026, the upcoming flagship electric SUV that blends futuristic design with premium comfort and advanced technology. Starting at the front, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 commands attention with its bold presence and refined styling. The lighting signature is futuristic and dynamic, while the sculpted lines on the hood add strength and character. The lower bumper has aerodynamic elements that not only enhance the SUV's efficiency but also make it look aggressive and powerful. From the back, the Ioniq 9 continues to impress with a wide, muscular stance. The tailgate is defined by pixel-style LED tail lights that mirror the unique lighting concept from the front, creating a balanced futuristic appeal. The rear diffuser and clean surfaces ensure the design remains aerodynamic while keeping an upscale minimalistic vibe. A subtle spoiler on top adds both style and performance, making the Ioniq 9 look sporty yet elegant. Moving to the right side, the SUV's proportions are truly striking. With its long wheelbase, flush door handles, and bold character lines running smoothly across the body, it presents a perfect mix of luxury and aerodynamic efficiency. The large alloy wheels with a geometric design emphasize the futuristic nature of the car, while the blacked-out roof and chrome trims highlight its premium touch. The silhouette suggests space and comfort inside while maintaining a sleek road presence. Stepping inside, the dashboard of the Hyundai Ioniq 9 is a true technological masterpiece. It features a wide panoramic display that merges the digital driver cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. Minimal physical buttons create a clean look, while ambient lighting adds an inviting glow to the interior. The use of sustainable materials throughout reflects Hyundai's commitment to eco-friendly luxury, making the cabin not just futuristic but also responsible. The front seats are designed for maximum comfort and adjustability. With plush cushioning, advanced heating and cooling functions, and even massage options, the Ioniq 9 ensures a first-class experience for the driver and passenger. Ample legroom and headroom add to the feeling of openness, while the premium upholstery elevates the luxury factor. In the back seats, passengers are treated with equal importance. The rear cabin is spacious, offering reclining seats, independent climate controls, and connectivity options. Whether it's a long drive or a daily commute, the Ioniq 9 ensures rear passengers enjoy a ride just as premium as those in the front. Finally, under the hood, or more accurately in the engine room, the Ioniq 9 houses Hyundai's advanced electric powertrain. Built on the latest eGMP platform, it is expected to deliver powerful performance. Number 5 exclusive walkaround of the all-new Jeep Wagoneer S 2025, a premium electric SUV that blends rugged Jeep heritage with futuristic technology. As we begin from the front, the Wagoneer S makes an instant impression with its bold stance and signature illuminated 7-slot grille that emphasizes its modern identity while staying true to Jeep's roots. Sleek LED headlamps are seamlessly integrated into the design, giving the SUV a sharp, confident expression, and the sculpted hood lines add a muscular touch that speaks of strength and performance. Moving to the back, the Wagoneer S continues to impress with a wide, clean design highlighted by a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate. The rear window slopes gracefully to meet the sporty spoiler, emphasizing the SUV's athletic profile. The chrome-accented Jeep badge sits proudly at the center, while the lower section integrates a premium diffuser design that reflects its all-electric identity. On the right side, the Wagoneer S showcases its elegant proportions with smooth, flowing body lines and flush door handles that pop out only when needed, enhancing aerodynamics. The large alloy wheels, finished in a futuristic dual-tone design, give the SUV a commanding road presence. Glossy chrome highlights run along the window frames, creating a premium touch that contrasts beautifully with the body's sculpted contours. Stepping inside, the dashboard of the Wagoneer S reflects true luxury combined with advanced technology. A massive curved digital display stretches across the driver and central infotainment zones, offering crisp visuals and seamless controls. Premium leather finishes, wood inserts, and ambient lighting bring a high-class atmosphere, while the steering wheel, wrapped in soft leather, is multifunctional and driver-focused. Looking at the front seats, comfort is prioritized with premium quilted leather upholstery, power adjustments, ventilation, and memory functions. The seats are designed to support both long journeys and everyday driving, offering a balance of luxury and practicality. In the back seats, passengers enjoy generous legroom and reclining options, accompanied by climate control vents, USB-C charging ports, and high-quality audio speakers for a first-class experience. Finally, the engine room reveals the heart of this futuristic SUV, an advanced all-electric powertrain. The Wagoneer S is equipped with dual motors, providing all-wheel drive capability and delivering over 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. The neatly organized engine bay houses cooling systems, power electronics,